Okay, this is a video on how to create a Kahoot. So first of all, go to Kahoot. If you go to Google and type Kahoot, you'll get some options. The one you want is this one with Get Kahoot. Actually, don't, sorry, down here, getkahoot.com. If you click on that, you should arrive at this website with this awesome video in the background. What you want to do is you want to sign up. You can click on that and you get sign up for free. You then go to make a free account. Your role is a student over 16, and then you can see you need to fill in the rest of that. There's not a lot of information, right? University of Tasmania here, create a username, give your UTAS email, confirm your UTAS email, and make up a password. Now it's very important that you remember your password, so please write it down somewhere. Don't lose it. Put it in your phone somewhere so that you've got a note, and then click create an account. Once you've created an account, you should see something like this. This is my account. I'm Shimubi. That's me. And you can see I've created 7 Kahoots in the past. What we want to do is we want to create a new quiz. Click on new quiz and it should open up something like this. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Kahoot for GWL. So title GWL 4.1 or 4.2 or 4.3, whatever the number is that you're doing. A description is required, unfortunately, so write something like this: a English vocabulary quiz to learn GWL words. You can write exactly that every single time you do this. The little mark here that you can see just indicates that these words are tags. If you want to know what a tag is, you can ask me about that later. Make it visible to everyone. Language is English, university, and then you don't need to do anything else. The rest is rubbish. Don't worry about adding an image. You can if you want, have a play with it if you want to, and then press OK, go. The next thing you'll see is something like this. This is the K overview. You can see that the first question is waiting to be created. You click on that and it will open something like this. I've written in your first question. So in GWL 4.3, you can see banks will not usually blah blah blah. So I take that and I put it into you can cut and paste it if you want to, put it into the question here, and you can see a car is very blank in Hobart as public transport is very limited. This is the space I want them to fill, and I just put 4 stars, 4 asterisks. That's a good thing to put in there. You do the same thing. Once you've created your sentence, oh, don't forget full stop, Chris. Keep 20 seconds, that's the standard. Award points, yes. Answer. Now, this is where it gets tricky, right? So once you have your question, you have to figure out what you think the correct answer is. And if you think, if you have a look at, again, have a look at your booklet. If we go to 4.1, oh, I'm going the wrong way. Go back. 4.1, here we are, 4.1. If I look down this list here, which one is the answer? What can I do? What is a car? A car is very something. Now it must be an adjective, right? It has to be, a car is very nice, if a car is very fast, a car is very useful. So which ones of these words are adjectives? Oh, hang on, there's an adjective there. What about a car is very convenient? That's a good answer. So I think that's the correct answer. So I'm going to put that in my answer. Here we go, convenient. Now I think that's the correct answer, so I'm going to click that one. Is correct because I've made that green, right? But I need 3 other possible answers. Now try not to choose just any 3 answers. They all should be reasonably possible. So if this one is the correct one and it's an adjective, I want to choose 3 other adjectives. And there are 3 other adjectives here. We've got moderate. We've got excessive. What else is an adjective? Scarce. So if I go back here to the question again, I've put in moderate. Oh, twice. I'll put that scarce. There you go. So we've got excessive, moderate, scarce, and convenient, and that's the correct answer. Now I am done, so I will click next. And there it is, done. My first question is on. I add all of the questions in the list. So if I go back to 4.1, you can see I will add all of these questions, and then I will create a Kahoot quiz. Now once I've added all the questions I want, I click save and it's done. So let's play it.